All right, hello, my friends. It's Mark. I'm going to try and keep this as short as possible. This is a software that I've had for 6 years in different variations. It was first a very old, bulky software. It went to cloud, and now it's the AI version. Now there is a. I'm just going to share my screen to get right into it. Okay, so if you're on YouTube, guys, click the link below. Go check out my review. I took this screenshot from my old Gravatar and WordPress Reader account because I had to create a new one because TrafficZION stopped working for me. I didn't notice for about a year. I noticed a decline in traffic, and that's what eventually made me go and check. And I contacted Demetrius and we got it sorted. But I took this screenshot just to show you, like it's 100 others liked your post, so that's 111 people liking a post I made about how to optimize your YouTube channel. And having that kind of traffic coming to your website and liking it and reading the content is just amazing, really. I mean, it's free traffic. So yeah, like I said, if you're on YouTube, click the link below, guys. Go down. This is my old reader, my old WordPress reader, so you can have a look at the screenshots and you can see here like traffic is booming. Focus in a bit more. See that a bit better? Yeah, so you can see like all of the information. And now when I show you my new reader, there's not going to be as much information because I had to start again. Now, I don't want to spend a lot of time on bonuses, but I did spend a good bit of time on this today, which is the quick start guide. And it's like 32 minutes. Basically, the first 5 to 10 minutes are me showing you how to get this set up as fast as possible. I also talk about keywords. I talk about basically all tips and tricks that I've learned from using this, how it's benefited me and how it can benefit you. I put together a selection of all the marketing keywords that I've used over the years, not just in my niche, but also in other niches as well. And this one is probably the best. This could have been an upsell in this product. This is 20 ready to upload niche websites. Now, don't underestimate this. These are 20 like files, okay? So how this works is you buy a domain, or if you've got a domain, make a subdomain. Then you take this, you upload it to your hosting to File Manager, and it connects it goes onto your uploads onto your domain. It's really easy to do. There's instructions on how to do it. If you get stuck, then just pay somebody $5 on Fiverr to show you how to do it or to do it for you. And these are like full webs, just like the website you're looking at, except maybe a bit more fancy. So yeah, so these are like the 3 top bonuses that I'm giving away. The others are cool, but these are the main ones that I think are the best. So anyway, enough about bonuses. If you decide to buy from me, you'll get them all. That's great. If you don't, you don't. Okay. Now, Gravatar. We need a Gravatar to use TrafficZION. This is WordPress Reader. This is my new WordPress Reader. Very quickly, I'll show you. So you can see here that every time I create a new post and publish that post, it's going out to, at the moment, 1,824 people. So you imagine the spike every time you do that. It's like a mass. I see it on my stats, like bump, massive spike. So whenever I publish a new review, then I get a ton of traffic and people buy. So it is real traffic. I'm not going to say that it's all buyer traffic. It says on the sales page that it's all buyer traffic. I mean, it's impossible to say that. They are real people. They are real people who opt into your, into your pop-ups. I got 23 new people on my list just from TrafficZION, and just in the last 3 or 4 days. So that's pretty cool, just getting those people onto my email list, and then like on get response, and then I can, put them into my cycle of emails. And the other people coming to your website from TrafficZION, this is the main platform, TrafficZION Cloud AI platform. Now, these don't have a lot of likes. Maybe if I refresh, it'll change. Or not. Okay. I know it's working because I refreshed before starting this video. Yeah, so you can, at one point these were in like 6 figures of likes, and I was getting a ton of traffic from this. I mean, I'm still, the traffic is starting, and it just kind of keeps going up and up and up and up and up and up. So that's pretty cool. And the traffic is coming from this WordPress reader. Now look, just from the last time where there are 6 new posts, another 6. So there's so many people posting on here. And this is where your traffic is coming from, all right? That's where your traffic is coming from. It's real people. And like I said to you, these are the subscriptions. So 2 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago, the next post I make will get sent out to all of those people. So by the time this video is live, it'll be over 2,000 people probably. So you're building a list of subscribers that when you make a new post, you're getting instant traffic to real people, not bots, not some fake, social media, twisted round, sideways, upside down, sideways traffic. It's real people coming to you because what's happened is you've went and liked their post, or you've liked their website or their post, sorry. And they obviously, it's like a very nice community here. So again, another 6 new posts. You see how often people are like uploading here. It's a lot of people. Anyway, yeah. So it's a very, nice tight community of people, and this is where your traffic's coming from. So if you like somebody else's article in the same niche as you, they're going to come over and have a look at your website. So for me, it's very beneficial. Also as well, getting that traffic from TrafficZION, not only are you getting, real people on your website and building a subscriber list every time you make a new post, but it's also increasing your domain authority. The more traffic you get to your website, the higher your domain authority, the higher your page authority, and your citation and trust flow go, which are all immense Google ranking factors. So this is helping your SEO, so much that it's hard to explain. It's just helping so much. Now there is the training, of course. So I have all of the upsells and downsells and side sales and everything. The training here, monetize your TZ traffic instantly, how to use TrafficZION to drive traffic to your websites and build content for you. It's all here, okay? Now, the quick start guide I made was just because I've been using it and testing it for the last 2 weeks or something, I don't know, quite a long time. And I did spend literally 5 days doing nothing but testing TrafficZION, uninstalling it, reinstalling, uninstalling, reinstalling it, checking out this, checking out that, so that I fully understood what I was doing. And that's why in this quick start guide, I was comfortable to make that quick start guide because I actually know so much about the product. And guys, in a sea of shitty software out there, which, yeah, sorry, there is just so much shit coming from Warrior Plus and JVZoo. This is a software that I will stand behind 1,000,000% because it works. It's been working since day one when it was an old clunky desktop app. It was working then, it's working even better now. Now, let's just have a quick look at, I'm going to show you, I have like all the upsells because, yeah, I got them. So the first part is the TrafficZION AI part, which gets you the traffic, boom, boom, that's cool. But as well, on the actual front end, you get this, I'm going to call this revolutionize because I don't know how to say this word properly. So in revolutionize, or whatever it's called, it's an automatic content creation part, which basically means you fill in a few details, which I'll show you, and it creates content for you. And then you can send it automatically to your website, or you can copy and paste it in HTML format and boom, put it onto your own website by hand. Very cool. Okay, let's just go through the OTOs. OTO 1, revolutionize blog whiz. So this is a blog that allows you to integrate your blog or website so that your software will post your content automatically. So this is the part about posting automatically. I think for some websites it's great. For me personally, for the Wolf of Online Marketing, the website that you've been looking at, I wouldn't do this because I'm quite pernickety about what I put on that website. But I have a website that's like about fashion and beauty, and yeah, it's for paid ads. I would definitely use this for that. So I need to add that website. Okay. OTO 2 is TrafficZION Tribe. It's a community. I've read all this, but basically it's a community where every time you make a post or new content, it gets traction because it's like pushed out by TrafficZION, but you're also getting other people who are in the same niche as you, also working together with you, and also targets specific articles that you want, which I'll show you in a second. OTO 3, TrafficZION Inner Circle. This is like all-in-one WordPress theme, email opt-in premium plugin. That's cool. Social media plugin, weekly Q&A, extra bonuses. Yeah, a lot of stuff. You'll see this. OTO 4, limitless traffic and a done-for-you website in any niche. That's really cool. Yeah, so they will build one website for you in any niche from scratch, which is pretty badass. Taking care of the logo, the branding, up to 5 articles in your niche. They set up the website so you can start collect. Wow. Man, for that price, that's pretty crazy. 67 or whatever it is. Wow. I wouldn't. If you asked me to build you a website, I'd say between $500 and $800. So that's pretty good. OTO 5, agency. This is cool because what you can do is you could use one of my bonuses, the 20 niche blogs. You could set up those blogs in whatever niche you choose, those 20 specific niches, and you could set it up. Then you could use the agency to run traffic to those websites, then take those websites to Flipper, because in Flipper you have to show the traffic is coming in, and then you could sell those websites for $100, $200, $500. That's pretty smart, actually. I just thought of that. But the way that they're saying is what you could do is you could find somebody like me and say, hey, I'm going to send you every month real traffic. You can even track it, whatever, you'll see it coming in, guarantee you this many, this much traffic per week or per month, and you can sell that as a service, which is pretty cool. I would maybe even be tempted. I'd want to test it, but if it was real people and they were interacting and signing up, I would maybe try this. Yeah, for sure. If somebody offered it to me, I mean. Okay, so let's go back. So much to cover. Training, we've looked at. This is actually the TrafficZION part. What are we at? 13 minutes. Doing good. Better than last time. It was like 37 minutes. So you set up your account. Boom, boom. You have the traffic going. Tribe. Now, Tribe is... Yes. Okay, so this is how Tribe works. And this is why it's so cool. Okay, so these are articles. This is the last article, the second last article, the third last article, fourth last article on my Wolf of Online Marketing website, and the traffic is going to these posts. Now, it's not bad, I guess, but the only con here is you can only deselect a website. You can only select 10 posts at a time, and you can only you can change them after 30 days, so you're not stuck with the same articles. I'm not at that stage yet because like I said, I totally rebuilt everything, new Gravatar, new WordPress reader, uploaded it, downloaded it, did all this sort of stuff, which I talk about inside of this training if you decide to get it as a bonus. This is just the queue, and this shows you the tag that you're using, when it's going to go out, and yeah, not really. So, well, it's good to see actually that you know that the traffic that this traffic is going out. Blogs. Okay, so this is how you would add a blog using WordPress application password. This is an upsell, of course. One thing I should have said actually, which I spotted, and I did the maths on this, should have told you this. You can get the VIP Fast Pass bundle, and if you want everything, like you have all of the upsells, which I have myself, you can get it for $397, and you save. I think it's like $197 or $195, so almost $200 you save if you decide to get this bundle, and that includes everything. So that's a pretty cool option. To go back to this, revolutionize. Even though it's not called that, I'm going to call it that. Revolutionize. Okay, article name, web source URL. So basically, like let's do an example. Let's say you want to do a review of Presenter. You can stick in my URL. Don't do it, please, but you can. And then you would put in here the name of the article, which would be Presenter Review or Review of Presenter. You can choose the type of post, so it would be a review post. You can choose what tone you want to be. So for me, I try to be a combination of a few things, but let's just say conversational. You can choose what type of person that you want the text to come out as, and you have people here like Neil Patel, that's who I tested this with. Neil Patel, right there, legend in the SEO world. Then a bit of context. The context is really easy. It's like, this is a review of Presenter, which is a software that does XYZ. Easy. Then you can put in your affiliate URL. You can choose to have a video pulled in as well to have in the article, or there's another way that I would recommend, or you can add images, and the images part is cool. That's fine, they'll be optimized. The add video part, I would use a custom video, so I would make your own video and then add that in. But if you don't have a YouTube channel, it will find a video that's very similar. Then you would select the buttons. I would go with only 2 because I don't think too many buttons is good. I would have click here and learn more. Those are the 2 that I would choose, or maybe visit official website. That sometimes works, so maybe 3. And then you could save it as draft, or you can just save it, and then you can go in and you can edit it a little bit if you want to, or you can just copy and paste it and put it onto your website. Now, if you buy the option to publish directly to your website, then that's what happens. So you would go and you would click, I would click save as draft, or you can publish it immediately. It's really up to you. And you can time when it goes out. So that's, you could have like 3 articles or 4 articles done, have them going out each day at the same time to your website. That's really cool, actually. Yeah, I didn't even think of that before. That's very cool. Save. Boom, it's done. Now, I'm not going to do it because it's going to take up more time, and I want to get this to be less than 20 minutes. So we've covered the training. Training is very, very, very detailed. Demetrius is super detailed in the training. I think he did miss out a few little things, and I put them in the quick start guide, which you can go to my website. If you're on YouTube, remember, click the link below, go down, have a look, click here, and you can check out the bonuses, of course, as well. Training is good. Software is working. You can see already from a new WordPress reader account, look how many people post here. It's like constant, and look how many subscriptions I'm getting all the time. And here, boom, takes a while to sometimes this takes a while to update, but don't worry about it. You will be getting traffic. And every time you make a new post, it goes out to 1,824 people, or however many people you have. I reckon by the end of the weekend, I'm going to be over 2,000 people. So yeah, that's a lot of traffic to get. Let's say even half come to your website when you create a new post. That's a lot of people. And that, think I said this already, that affects your domain authority, your page affects it in a positive way, your domain authority, page authority, your trust flow, your citation flow, all major Google ranking factors. So yes, that's my review of TrafficZION. Do I like it? Yes, I absolutely love it. It helps with, organic traffic. You're getting real traffic, real people who will sign up, people who will read, people who will interact. And you've probably not seen a review from me for a while. That's because there is so much crap out there. It's just so hard to find something that's good. This is good. This is something that, no matter your experience, you can start. I mean, how many I've never seen a software before actually where you can get a website for like $67 or whatever the price was there. You can get a website and you can start running traffic to it. You can have affiliate links in it, and you can be making sales on your own website that you own, in less than a day. I just don't know any other software that does that, and that's the truth. And I get sent a lot of review access. I look at a lot of software. This is top of the line in my opinion, and this extra upgrade, the revolutionized part, however you say it, just icing on the cake. So guys, I recommend you grab this. I think it's awesome, and I think that you'll think that it's awesome, especially with these updates. And I'm not sure, did I say this? Yeah, I did say about the VIP fast bundle. If you want to save time and you just want to grab it all, that's what to do. So again, last thing I'll say, if you're on YouTube, guys, scroll down, click the link below, scroll down, go through, have a read over my review, check out the three top bonuses are the best. The other ones, they're good, but the three are like the three top ones. I could have just put them there, but I put in those extra ones because they're relevant. And click this link, you'll go to the sales page, check out all the testimonials, have a read, and I'm sure you'll be convinced, just like I am. I'm never so enthusiastic about a software or any product, but this really is. It's a game changer for anybody in any situation of any experience. It really is. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Okay, 22 minutes, like 7 minutes less than last time. Remember, if you can give this a like and subscribe. I'm uploading a whole load of new content, everything from WordPress, SEO, to traffic case studies, to YouTube optimization and SEO, how-to videos, email marketing videos, and general. So I have a whole list here of videos. I'm going to be trying to do one every 2 days. And the first one's already up, how to delete old content for SEO rankings. So you can check that out on my channel as well if you want. Guys, thanks again. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Be good. Grab this. It's awesome. So are you.